Hey guys, so I figured I would do an unboxing / review on this indoor Aspectek indoor insect bug killer. I picked this up from Amazon. I paid about 40 bucks, just came in, and yeah, I'm excited to see how it works. See, the problem is that we come in and out of the garage a lot, and every time that the garage opens, of course, you know, bugs will come in and out of the house. Our back door, the kids run in and out the back door, there's always bugs coming in. So basically I just got tired of seeing the bugs all the time. I couldn't take it. We got gnats flying all around the house. So the description on Amazon says that it will kill flies, mosquitoes, moths, gnats, because that's pretty much the biggest problem that we have here is a bunch of these gnats flying around. So hopefully, like I said, this will take care of our problem that we have at the house. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So when you open the box, looks like we got 2 bulbs here. Yep, 2 UV bulbs. Nice, protected in some bubble wrap. All right, drop something. Has a nice chain. So a nice chain here, so they can look, so it can hang up. Pretty much you can hang this anywhere. You can keep it on a desk, on the table. You can even hang it up on a wall. It has a nice grid for safety. So, you know, the children, if you have young kids, they won't burn themselves. So that's a good feature there. You got your extension cord, your power cord. And one of the good things I like about it is that it already comes with bulbs. So they gave you 2 additional light bulbs. So that's wonderful, that's perfect. So basically you have a set already installed and you have your backup or your additional set. So before you go, please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do some more unboxing videos. So, all right, take care.